Geo Metro diagnosis video number 1. This tire, or wheel, makes a squeaking noise when I roll it just slowly back and forth across the driveway, and I'm also getting a sort of a knocking noise from the axles or somewhere down here when I get it up to speed. It's hard to hear it in the car, but I may take y'all on a drive at some point. But right now I just wanted to show you, I've tried this on all 4 wheels, so I can just push the car back and forth along the driveway here. It's a little tiny bit uphill, so we can get it to roll backwards for us. Take a listen here. Okay, sometimes it's squeaking more than others. Push it up a little bit. We'll do one more run for you. I think I may be doing this too fast. I'm going to slow down a little bit. In any case, you get the idea. Just an odd creaking sound. A lot like a wooden rocking chair or something. So, I'll hop in here and I guess I'll take you for just a short drive. Maybe we can hear some of the sound. It can be hard to hear with the engine running. I'll put the window down and hopefully we can hear it better. Sorry for the poor lighting. It may get dark before we get back too. If you can hear that squeaking a little bit, that's not actually the noise I was really talking about. I'm not hearing it yet. Trying to get it clean. Let's see. Yep, there it is. Hear that knocking? I can distinctively feel that coming through the floorboards. When I first heard it, it was bad enough that I decided I had to pull over and check to make sure something wasn't falling off. It doesn't seem to be affected by corners, although I haven't really been able to test. not sure what you'll hear if I stick this out the window. I suspect you're not hearing anything important, so. It does seem to be stronger under a load. It's hard to tell because this is a rough stretch of road right here. Anyway, here's hoping that you could hear that a little bit. And that'll conclude this video. Oh, well, actually I just thought of one other thing that might be interesting to try. I'll just stick it up on the floor jack real quick. Spin the tires for you. Yes, this is getting slightly longer than it should be, but won't take but a second here. Just roll out my trusty floor jack. Metros are so much fun. It takes like 5 pumps to get the wheels, both front wheels off the ground. They don't weigh anything. Alright, front wheels are off the ground. Crank her back up again. Fifth gear here. Okay, I am hearing that a little bit. Maybe we'll be able to figure out exactly what's going on here. Here we're underneath the car right now. Well, you are, I'm not. I would never get under a car that was only supported by a jack, especially one that was running. The car doesn't look like it's out of balance. It's not making a lot of sound. I'll rev it up just a little bit, see what we get. I can almost hear it better from inside here. Are you hearing that? It's not as even now as it is on the road, but I'm still hearing that same sort of knocking. I can feel it through the floorboard. As for which side it's on, definitely don't think it's coming from this side. What I'm hearing over here is maybe just a little bit of a break every time it goes around. Just, yeah. But kind of burbly knocking sound is definitely sounds like it's from over here. So anyway, I want to hear your opinions. Bad CV axle or brakes or yeah, I should probably have hit the clutch there. Anyway, this video's long enough, so I'll let y'all go. Thanks for watching, and thanks for helping me diagnose yet another Metro problem.